Hello. So welcome to the next session. Yesterday in the previous class we discussed about the Indian system of numeration of different place values. We will continue the class of Indian system of numeration of different place values. Let us go a preview of yesterday's class on Indian system of numeration. So again, let us recall the place values of our Indian system of numeration. That means ones place or units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Ones are units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. In the previous class, we learned up to 10 lakhs and also with some examples. Today, we will discuss one more additional place value, that is crores value. See, after completing this Indian system of numeration of crores values, we will discuss how to place commas. Commas is the most important thing in representing a number in our Indian system, because representing commas will help you in learning mathematics also, whereas in the real life usages. See, in real life usage, the placing of commas is very essential to every child or a parent or a father, mother, whoever may be. So placing of commas is the most important, because we will write the numbers in bank checks or while you are counting the currency notes, then you have to identify the place values. Let us take one example of representing this Indian system of numeration. Let us take one example: 7, 8, 9, 6, 5, 4, 3. Let us take it and identify the place values of the given number. The place value of 3 is ones or units. Here I am going to represent only abbreviated letters. Place value of 4 is tens, 5 is hundreds, 6 thousands, 9 10,000s, 8 lakhs, 7 10 lakhs. Right. This is example 1 and the final example of this concept. We'll go for example 2. Take one more number: 8, 4, 5, 3, 0, 7, 9, 6. Again come from as the basic part, we should come from the backward of the number. 6 is in units place. While I am asking the question, you should recite in your mind. 6 is in units place. Then what are the position of 9? Tens. What is the position of 7? Hundreds. Next, thousands. 3. 10,000s is very important to recite in the mind. 5 lakhs. 4 10 lakhs. And 8 1 crore. Crore. We will call it as crore. CR. This is the examples, and this is the example of 10 lakhs, and this is the example of crore. And these are two examples are very essential to identify these things. Then after completing these two examples, you will understand and you will learn to understand how to place a comma for a given numbers. How to place a comma. Placing comma is most important in math, as I said earlier. As I said earlier, placing comma is most important thing of a number. How to place a comma in any given number. How to place a comma in any given number. In Indian system of numeration. In Indian system of numeration, we will discuss how to place a comma for a given number. See, in Indian system of numeration, as we know that, right from the childhood, that means first, second and third classes, we are very familiar with the digits of ones or units place, tens place, hundreds place. Let us assume this is as one block for placing commas. This is for one block for placing commas. This one block for placing a commas. Next we will go for the next thing, that is thousands. And next 10,000. And then next lakhs. Then after 10 lakhs. Then after crore. Now, these are the base values we know very well. Ones are units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Now how to place a comma? See, this is lakhs position. This is lakhs positions. This is thousands position. This is thousands position. Lakhs, and we will call it as a thousands position. Now, if there is another digit, we will call it as 10 lakhs. Here we will call it. Here for crores we will call it as 10 crores. 10 lakhs, lakhs. Here crore, 10 crores. Means we will call this as crore position. Now, let us take one example to place a comma. 2, 4, 7, 8. 2, 4, 7, 8. As I discussed earlier, the number should be divided as the first backward of 3 digits. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundred. Let's go. Then after, that's it. 1000 is only one place. So we call it as 2478. 2478. One more example. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Ones, tens, hundreds. This one come. Now thousands. If there are two places, then after 1000, 10,000. 1000, 10,000. Two places. So these thousands can be grouped. These thousands can be grouped. Ones, tens, hundred is grouped. Thousands is grouped. One more example. 6, 4, 0, 5, 7, 8. One group, ones, tens, hundred, put comma, thousands, thousand, 10,000, again put comma, no number, lakhs. Very easy. Next, one more. 7, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 8. Again, ones, tens, hundreds, put comma. Next, what is this? Thousands, 10,000s, put comma. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. So how to read this? 7 tens. So 77 lakhs. 77 lakhs. 54,328. 77 lakhs. 54,328. And this is the example to be read as 6 lakhs 40,578. So this is the way of reading a number. This is the way of reading a number. So in the childhood age, if you are unfamiliar to place the commas of a number, it is very difficult to learn in the later classes. So it is very important to practice more examples in our textbook to learn and to place commas for identifying a number very easily. Okay, tomorrow we will see some more examples along with the class International System of Numeration. Hello everyone. In the previous session we discussed about Indian system of numeration, whereas we have two types of numerations, that is Indian system of numeration and the secondly is international system of numeration. Today we are going to discuss about the international system of numeration briefly. This international system of numeration is the basic origin from Britishers, means we call United Kingdoms, that is the main place of Britishers, and its origin is from British. See, while we have two types of numerations, that is Indian and international, among the world the most commonly used system of numeration is international system of numeration. See, so we have great importance of international system of numeration because throughout the world the major part of calculations or major part of the place values are derived from international system of numeration. Let us see the place values, how to indicate the place values in international system of numeration. See, whereas in Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration, the first period is formed, that is ones or units, tens, hundreds. This is known as first period. This is known as first period. What is the use of this period? Period is nothing but to place commas. This period is used for placing commas. There was a second period of this. So as common, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and this is called second period. This is called second period. That is called first period. And million, $10 million, 100 million. This is called third. This is called third. See, in international system of numeration, three periods. What is the first period? Ones, tens, hundreds. Second period, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Third period, million, 10 million, 100 million. We have to place the commas according to this periods. See, take an example. Identify the place values of a given number. Identify the place values of a given number. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. One more example. Identify the place values of a given number. 8, 4, 5, 6, 7. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Go for one more example. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 7, 9. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million. Now, how to place a comma for these numbers? How to place a comma for these numbers? See, as we discussed, placing commas is based on the periods. How many periods we have? 3 periods. What is the first period? Ones, tens, hundreds. Second period, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Third period, million, 10 million, 100 millions. And in these 3 examples, you have to place commas. How to place commas? The first period, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The second example, 1, 2, 3. Now coming to third example, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right? So, in the next class, we will discuss about the comparison between Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration.